Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom layouts for specific products and categories using the WooGallery plugin. With WooGallery, you can easily create customized product gallery layouts and assign them to specific products or categories for an engaging shopping experience and boost your sales instantly. So, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, navigate to WooGallery, Manage Layouts. Here, you'll see all your existing gallery layouts. To create a new one, click on the Add New Layout button. Now, enter a suitable title for your layout so you can easily identify it later. After that, you can start customizing your product gallery layout using the available customization panels and options. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click on the Publish button to save your layout. Now that the layout is ready, let's assign it to specific products or categories. Go to WooGallery, Assign Layout. Then click on Add New to create a new layout assignment rule. From the Filter Products dropdown, choose whether you want to assign the layout to specific product categories or individual products. Choose the terms for categories or the specific products according to the filter you have selected. Next, select the gallery layout you created earlier from the Select Layout dropdown. After configuring everything, click on Save Settings. Your custom layout is now assigned successfully. WooGallery also gives you another convenient way to assign layouts directly from the backend of a single product page. Please note that layouts assigned directly from an individual product page will take priority over the layouts assigned through the global Assign Layout settings. Now, visit any assigned product page on the front end of your website. Refresh the page, and you'll instantly see the newly applied custom gallery layout in action. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other WooGallery tutorials for more useful tips.